Why is she so jealous? Why? Mommy, baby boy. Are you jealous, Sophia? Daddy. What are you doing? Freaking out. You can go see Daddy too. There you go. Now, look. Oliver came to see me. Come on, Sophia. Hey. Sophia's not happy you're over here. You know that, right? Say, come on, Sophia. Say, come on. You're so cute. Sophia's not happy. What's wrong? Sophia, what's wrong? What are you doing? What are you doing? You a good boy? Are you a good boy? Boy. Come see me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Silly. Oliver's mommy, sweet baby boy. Come on, Sophia. Come on. Look, Oliver loves me. It's okay. Okay. You do it again? Do it again. Sophia, what are you doing? Want to come see me? Good girl. That's my baby girl. Oliver, I see you on my iPad. But this is a big deal for Sophia. Hi, baby. Hi. You want to come up here with Oliver? Want to get up here with Oliver? Come on. Jump. 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 Come on, sweetie. You want to jump? What you guys doing? Where are you going, Sophia?